Aircraft battery systems play a crucial role beyond mere backup power. Modern aviation relies on advanced battery technology to enhance efficiency and safety. These systems provide essential power for critical functions, including avionics, lighting, and emergency systems, ensuring seamless operation during flight. Lithium-ion batteries, for instance, are increasingly favored for their lightweight and high energy density, significantly reducing overall aircraft weight. This weight reduction translates to improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions, aligning with the industry's push for sustainability. Moreover, battery systems enable innovative features like electric taxiing, allowing aircraft to move on the ground without using jet engines, further cutting down fuel consumption and noise pollution. As technology evolves, the integration of smart battery management systems enhances performance monitoring and predictive maintenance, ensuring reliability. Aircraft battery systems are transforming aviation, proving they are essential for modern flight operations, not just a backup solution.